Hey friends! Today we're recreating a famous American fruit juice that's served in cafes and health bars all over the country. It's fruity, vibrant, and super easy. Let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients. You'll need 1 apple, 1 orange, half a banana, the juice of 1 lemon, and a handful of spinach if you're feeling a bit adventurous and want a health boost. Grab some cold water or ice cubes and honey or maple syrup if you like it a bit sweeter. Slice up your fruits and prep everything. You're just a blend away from something amazing. Now it's blending time. Add everything into your blender. Yep, toss in the apple, orange, banana, lemon juice, spinach, and a splash of cold water or a few ice cubes. If you have a sweet tooth, now's the time to add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Ready? Blend for 30 to 40 seconds until it's smooth and creamy. This juice is packed with vitamins and flavor. It's as good as store-bought without any preservatives. Pour your freshly blended juice into a tall glass. Maybe add a slice of fruit on the rim to make it look extra fancy. This blend is naturally sweet, with a citrus kick and a creamy texture. You're going to love it. If this juice hit the spot, like this video and comment your favorite juice combo below. Subscribe for more fresh juice and coffee ideas. Plus, hit the bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks for watching and happy juicing.